Welcome to the online typing test groups feature. We're really excited about this. Here's a quick overview of how it works. First of all, you'll need to log in or register to use this feature. And as we're in beta testing mode, so we're still developing and testing stuff, anyone who registers free now will get full access to all features that are active now, including groups, plus you will have full access to all future features absolutely free for the lifetime of your registration. Alright, let's have a look now at how groups work. You can use the groups feature to motivate and encourage yourself and others to become faster and more accurate typists. You can create a group for your everyday friends, your Facebook friends or other social media connections, your family, school friends, people in your workplace, and if you're a teacher, you can create a group for your class or classes. You can create multiple groups and you can have as many as 100 members in your group. So let's go ahead now and create a group. You need to give your group a name. Let's call this group Speed Typing Hub. Next, copy your invitation link and share with the people you're inviting. You can send this link by Facebook or email or some other means. When someone clicks on the link that you've sent them, they'll be taken straight to the page that you see right here. They'll see the group name that you've created and your name as the owner of that group. Now, if you're watching this after clicking an invitation link, when you click the Join Group button, you'll be automatically joined to the group name under the red group button on the Groups menu. Next, you'll be invited to take a speed typing test. Okay, let's assume that you or your group member have just taken a speed typing test. Here's what happens next. Your saved results will be displayed in the results table under the Groups menu. So please remember to save your results after you take a test. Results for everyone in your group can then be filtered and sorted using the tools below the menu bar. You can even do a quick search. Your group status will either be displayed in the menu bar as member or owner. Group owners can use the admin feature to change the group name or even delete a group. And they can choose to close a group, which means that a group is active but cannot receive new members. If you close a group, you can open it again by selecting it and then clicking Invite. Okay, well that's probably more than enough information to get you up and running. So go ahead now and create your first group or groups and start inviting. If you've been invited to join a group, click the Join Group button now and take your first test. For some tips on how to get the best out of these typing tests and how to use the special features we've put there, please watch the video on the homepage at onlinetypingtest.net. All the best then for your typing success.